Today I will show you how to change Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password on Xiaomi Mi Router 4C. But first, connect your PC to the router using an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi. Once your PC is connected, open a web browser and go to 192.168.31.1. Now log into your router's panel. All you have to do is enter the password you have previously set. At the top of the menu, select the Settings tab and click on it. You can see your SSID wireless network name. First, type your new Wi-Fi name, SSID, for your wireless network. Then, you can see your old Wi-Fi password. Enter the new password you have chosen in the box next to password. Wi-Fi password must contain at least 8 characters. Then click on Save. Change Wi-Fi settings. This operation will reboot the router, and all devices in this network will be temporarily disconnected. Now, click on OK. Rebooting router to apply settings. This takes about 30 seconds. Please like and subscribe. Hit the bell icon to get the latest video update. Thank you for watching.